Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome! In today's video, I am giving you cleaning motivation and organization inspiration. I am going to tackle my small pantry. It's been a while since I cleaned and organized it, and it's starting to get chaotic in there, so today I am going to fix that. Let's do this! If this is your first time visiting my channel, hello and welcome. I am so happy you're here. My name is Selle, I am a wife and a full-time working mommy to my 8 years old sweet boy. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel for tons of cleaning motivation and lots of home organization. I would love to have you and be a part of my YouTube family. As you see, I'm taking everything out of my pantry. I want to get access to the shelves so I can actually wipe it with my multi-purpose cleaner, and especially down on the bottom. I know it's very bad in there. It's like dusty and I have a lot of dog hair starting to pile up down there. So I want to get access to that and really deep clean it.
So lucky to be yours.
After wiping all the shelves with my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner in the scent basil, I move on the very bottom shelves. As you see, it's disgusting down here. A lot of dust and dog hair starting to accumulate. So I'm just vacuuming down here, and then I'm also gonna wipe down all the baseboards and the floor. All my baskets and storage containers are either from Walmart or Target. Here I am wiping all my containers with my water vinegar mix. I did recently just clean and organize my fridge as well and my freezer, so if you want to see that, I will link that video in the description box below. Here I am changing the old bread from my brown sugar and putting a new one. I did get a lot of questions about this from my older Pantry organization video. This is for the brown sugar to stay soft and not get hard.
Trying to figure you out, I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me.
Here I am transferring this Cheerios cereal to this big Ziploc bag. My son wouldn't eat them anymore. He likes this Lucky Charms cereal better because he said they have marshmallows in them. But my niece and my nephews likes this Cheerios cereal, so I'm just gonna give this to them. Here's the fun part, guys. This is my favorite part of organizing. It's putting everything back.
I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
Here at the very bottom, I just have these two big baskets here that I got from Target. This is where I put all my backups.
There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
I am so happy I cleaned and organized my pantry today and how it turned out. I am very satisfied with it. I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home and get some ideas on how to organize your own pantry. If you like and enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to your friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. If you want to follow and connect with me, my Instagram account link is in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I will see you all again on my next video. Bye!